Now let's study a new letter. It's called ya. Ya. It has two pronunciations, ya and ye. And it's written like this. When it's isolated, when it's initial, middle, and at the end, like this. Before that, we studied noon, which has one dot above, like this. This is noon, na. We also studied ta, like this, which has two dots above. Now we study ya. Look, it has two dots below. This letter, ya, has two pronunciations. The first is ya, as in yes, yes. The second is ye, as in cheese, cheese. So it's considered a long vowel. This is the third long vowel. Before that, we studied a and u, and now we study ye. Can you read this word? It's composed of three letters: dal, ya, noon, d, y, n. The dal here has kasra, so we say d, followed by ya as a long vowel, so it will be deen, deen, deen. It means religion. And this word, which is composed of only two letters, ya and alif. Ya, yeah, yeah. When you call someone, you say, for example, Ya Ahmad, oh Ahmad. Notice that dal here doesn't connect to the left. So dal is one of the letters which don't connect to the left. So we need to leave a little space between it and the following letter. Dal here is not connected to ya, but ya is connected with noon. Before that, we studied alif and waw. They don't connect to the left as well. Can you read this? Ya Ahmad. You call him, Ya Ahmad. Ya Hanan. Ya Hanan. What about this? Ya Mahmoud. Ya Mahmoud. Now we have studied the three long vowels. They are alif, as in Hanan. Alif preceded by fatha. Waw, as in Nuh. Ooh, this is the second long vowel. Waw preceded by dhamma. The third long vowel is ya, as in deen, preceded by kasra. So u, e, hanan, nuh, deen. We have also studied the three short vowels. They are fatha, as in Ahmad. The alif here has fatha and also Ahmad. Ma, Ahmad. The second short vowel is dhamma, as in Mahmoud. Mahmoud. And the third short vowel is kasra, as in Hamid. Hamid. Let's study a new letter. It's called Sin, and its sound is sa. Look, it's written like this. Sa. When it is in the beginning or in the middle, this part is cut and we keep only the first part. This is s, sin. This letter doesn't have any dots. Its shape is shared by another letter which has three dots on the top. Three dots, another letter, and we'll study it later on. But this one doesn't have any dots. S. This word, which means name, is composed of three letters: alif, sin, and mim. The alif has kasra, so we say u or a or e. We say e plus s plus m. Ism. Ism. Ism is name. And this one, it's my name. Look here. This is name and this is my name. What the difference? What is the meaning of my in Arabic? Alif, sin, mim, and ya. Ismi. 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 My name. A new word. A. Na. S. Can you read this? Anas. Anas is a male name. And this one. Sin, alif, mim, ha. Sa, long vowel here. Sa, mi, kasra. Mim with kasra, it will be mi, not mu or ma. No, mi. Samih. Samih. Samih is a male name as well. A new word. This one has three letters. Ha, sin, noon. Ha has fatha and sin. Ha, sa, n. Hassan. Hassan. Male name. And this one. Ha has dhamma. So it will be what? This was ha. What about this? Yes. Hu. Sa. Y. N. Hussein. This is Hussein. Hussein is a male name. A new word. Ha here has dhamma. So what will it be? Hu. Sa. Followed by a long vowel. Ha. Ended by mim. M. Husam. Husam. This is a male name. And this one, sa. Sa has fatha. It will be sa. Ma is followed by a long vowel. Alif. A. Samah. 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 This is a female name. Can you read this sentence? Which means my name is Ahmed. Ismi Ahmed. Ismi Ahmed. And this one? Ismi Hussein. My name is Hussein. And this one? Ismi Husam. Ismi Husam. And this? Ismi Hanan. Ismi Hanan. Ismi Sa. Orsu. Orsi. Sa. Ismi Samah. Ismi Samah.